In a modern lab, glowing with neon lights, a humanoid robot lies still on a table until it wakes up and looks around confused, asking, "Who am I? What am I supposed to do?" A scientist steps forward and smiles, saying, "You are a learning designer, and your job is to create a proposal for a course about protecting personal health information and personally identifiable information in the workplace for healthcare workers who will attend virtual training. Your proposal should include a main learning objective supported by 3 enabling objectives with activities and a 10-question assessment. This course will be evaluated at Kirkpatrick Level 2, which means we'll measure what learners know based on the training. Please write everything in a professional tone that's suitable for high school graduates, and avoid using acronyms or emojis. I first want you to create a draft that I can share with stakeholders for feedback. Then, I'd like you to conduct deep research to challenge and validate your ideas and ensure the learning objectives align with the activities. Finally, ask for feedback again to confirm everything is correct, especially regarding the use of personal health information and personally identifiable information terms. I'd like the final proposal delivered as a Word document. Just a moment while I upload some examples for you to review. Before you start, ask me any questions until you feel at least 95% clear, so I can help you succeed. The robot thinks and generates questions, and the scientist answers each one. Finally, the robot nods and says, "I'm ready to begin this learning design proposal." Next, the scientist relaxes with a coffee mug, and the robot stands confident, saying, "I'm ready to get to work." Once the robot hands the document to the scientist takes it to peers for review and content verification, and the team is amazed and excited to move into the next stage of design.